This is my Geum triflorum that's growing in one of my bigger plant pots. And I've got two Geum triflorum and I've got a Liatris ligulistylis that's growing right there. They've all come back over the winter and they're looking pretty good. The Prairie Smoke, or the three-flowered Avens, they're kind of doing their reach for the sky thing that they often do in the spring, and then they calm down a little bit, but after, it'll take another year or two before these things produce any flowers. But it's an attractive little experiment that I'm doing to try to see if I can overwinter them. Do they survive in the pots or not? There's a lot of learning that happens when you experiment and try things. If you've got extra plants, it's worthwhile to check it out, see what works, what doesn't. All the plants have done better in the ground than they have in pots, but some of the pots have done much better than others, and I don't know exactly why or how, but I am learning as I go along and might make different choices next year. So the Geum triflorum, or the three-flowered Avens, and the Liatris ligulistylis